Having fun, buddy? Mason, is this your wagon? Is this your wagon? How do you like it? Can you tell us about how much you like it? Dog. You're right. That was Chloe. Dog. Dog. Dad.